You are welcome to class. We are continuing this lesson series from O to Z today. So first word is oko, oko, fire, oko, fire. Let's move on. The next one is oka. Oka is corn. Oka, corn. Oka. Let's go. Number 3, okuko. Okuko, chicken. Okuko, chicken. We move. Number 4, ozala. Ozala, wilderness. Ozala, wilderness. We move. Number 5, ogu. Ogu, ho. Ogu, ho. Let's go. Number 6, ogaranya. Ogaranya, the wealthy or the rich. Ogaranya. We go. Number 7, palite. Palite, lift up, is used for heavy something. Palite, lift up. We go. Number 8, pota, come out from the house or anywhere. Pota, come out. Let's go. Pour, when you are inside, you are telling somebody go out. Pour, go out. Pour, go out. Number 10, pinye, press into, used for semi-liquid something, press into the eye. Pinye, press into. Number 11, pute, pute, sprout out, or pute, sprout. Pute, sprout. 12, racha, lick. Racha, lick. Let's go. Number 13, rie, eat. Rie, eat. Rie, eat. We go. 14, re, sell, as you sell commodities. Re, sell. Re, sell. Let's go. Provide. Rapota. Rapota, provide. Rapota. Let's go. 16, rafuo. Rafuo, lead astray. Can also be used for deceive. Rafuo. 17, sacha, wash. Sacha, wash. If you are not using water, it's hicha. But when you use water, it's sacha. 18, soporo. Soporo, respect, the verb part of it. Soporo, respect. 19, sie, cook. Sie, cook. These are almost verb. Sie, cook. Go to 20. Say, draw. Say, draw. This is not see. Say, draw. 21. Sorrow, follow. Sorrow, follow. Follow me, sorrow. 22. Ta, chew. If it sounds ta, low, it becomes today. But ta, oh, is chew. Oh, ta is high, that is today. 23. Teta, wake up from sleep. Teta, wake up. 24. Tufuo, throw away. Tufuo, throw away. Discard it. 23. Tinye, put into. Tinye, put into. Tinye. We go. 26. Topple, lose. Topple, lose. Topple, lose. We move to 27. Unere, banana. It can also be called for short, une. Some people call that way. And you are aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you materials to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline. These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. Unere, banana. We go 28 is ube, javelin. This is not ube, this is ube, javelin. Ube is pear. We move 29, udu, musical pot, udu. This is the bar spot for Igbo culture, udu, musical pot for bars. 30, ududo, spider. Some will say udude, ududo, spider. We move 31, ugu, ugu, mountain, ugu, ugu, mountain. Let's go 32, ute, ute, mat, ute, mat, ute. We go 33, umu, children, umu, children, umu. Let's go 34, ototo, morning, ototo, morning hours or morning, ototo. We go to 35, ora, sleep, ora, sleep. This is a noun form, ora, sleep. We move to 36, ogo, pumpkin. Ogo is a kind of vegetable that Igbos use so much. Ogo, pumpkin. 37, vor, comb. This is the verb part of it. Ivo is to comb. Vor is comb. All right. Mvo is the noun itself. That is the comb. 38, vor, hatch. Vor, hatch. The verb. Vor, hatch. 39, wa, split. As you split wood. Wa, split. Wa, split. 40, wepu, take away or take out. Wepu, take away. Wepu, take away or take out. 41, weta, bring. Bring it is wetaya, bring it. Weta, bring. We moved 42, wunye, pour in. Wunye, pour in. Wunye, pour in. Wopo is pour out. Wedite, pick up, especially for light items. Wedite, pick up. Wedite, pick up. 44, yinye, put on, as in clothing. Yinye, put on or wear. Let's go to the opposite. Yipu, put off. Put off the clothes. Yipu akwa. Yipu, put off. We go on to 46. Yocha, sieve. As we do for grain. Yocha, sieve. Take away impurities. We move to 47. Yiri, resemble. Lolo, yiri, resemble. Yiri, resemble. 48. Za, answer. It is not za. Za, answer. Answer me is zam. Answer me. 49. Zere, avoid. Avoid him is zereya. Zere, avoid. We move to 50. Zacha, sweep. Zacha, sweep. We have some bonus names for you. 51. Zopota, save. Please save me because zopotam. Zopota, save. 52. Zipu, send out. Zipuya is send it out. Zipu, send out. The opposite is zite, send in. Send in, zite. Thank you for watching up to this point. We encourage you to rewatch it over and over until you master them very, very well. Remember to subscribe to our channel And then if you look at the board right now, you see one or two videos we recommend for you to watch. As you do, we believe you're going to learn more. See you in the next video. Kemesia.